Welcome back, YouTube. I was thinking about doing a sit down with you guys today. I thought about this video for a while, but I felt like I wasn't gonna tell you guys how to do it. I almost felt like I was gatekeeping, but at the same time, I always help people to get wheels. So today's video, we're gonna learn how to shop on Buyee. 2 wheels just came in. Let's see what those are. I almost want to call this might be a segment, you guys. You know, like sit down with J-Boy, like we're gonna talk it out. I look kind of big right now, like shit. Nah. But I really want to explain to you guys, like, a lot of people hit me up and they don't know how to like shop on the auctions. And they're just kind of clueless. They just go to a VR wheel, 3-piece US, Fitment Industries. Like, nah, dude. I'm gonna have you guys on the auction. If I could find a freaking blade to cut this shit open. So let's keep this in mind, you guys. When you're shopping on Buyee or even Kruber, whatever, one of those Japanese auction websites, keep in mind, it is always easier and cheaper to buy wheels without tires. I still have not found out the sauce. I have a couple friends that say they know somebody in Japan, they could take the tires off. I don't have time for none of that, dude. I see something, I like it, we buy it, and so on. These are actually from my buddy. He has a Mini Cooper. He already has 2 of these, so I helped him source basically the last 2. Now, what we are looking at today, you guys, are a pair of work VSXs. They look a little dirty, they're a little scuffed up. He's gonna have to clean them up and actually match this color to the other 2 he has on his car. But real 3-piece wheels, right here, bolts, real VSXs. These go for, built to the spec that you guys would like, over 2 grand. We got these 17x8. It's a Mini Cooper, not a lot of camber. He needed something small and just fittable. We got these for $240 something for the pair. Shipping was about, I think, $190 and $160 for each, which is pretty freaking awesome. That's $400 in shipping, about $2 something on the wheel, $600 for a pair of real wheels. Literally, if these were you guys at home, refinish, new lips are about $200 a piece, and you would have a wicked looking wheel like the KFs. So let's open this other package, and I just want to show you guys, and then we could like chit chat about it. Okay, now keep in mind, you guys, these look a little rough to the sight right now, but they're getting refinished, first of all. Second of all, these were on the cheaper end side. So realistically, you can get better quality stuff. You're gonna pay a little bit more bread, but this is perfect for what he needs, you know? Okay, welcome back. This is Sit Down with J-Boy Vlogs, and we will be explaining how to buy wheels and other JDM parts off of Buyee or even Kruber, but today we're actually specifying with Buyee. Okay, you guys, we're on my phone. I'm screen recording, so you guys are gonna get to see everything I'm doing. So basically, we're gonna start with these wheels that we just did purchase, the 17-inch work VSXs. So basically, we purchased these, well, we paid for shipping about 3 days ago, which was pretty awesome. They came from Japan through parcel on the plane, and only took about 3-4 days shipping, which stupendous. You can't even get stuff in the States that fast with shipping. Like I did say, we did pay $190 for one wheel and $160 something for the other wheel to be shipped, since it did have a tire on it. Now, what you guys are actually looking for is my awaiting payments. I actually bought some Speedstar Garts. They're 18x9s and 18x8s. I was planning on doing something with them, but I have not done anything with them. I won them for $415, but the buyout price was actually $559, in meaning you can see auctions and there's a current bid price. If nobody bids, you could win it for that price. Or if you're just impatient and you want it right then and there, you could just do the buyout price for $559.14, which is cool. Some people cannot wait. I did not actually pay for the shipping for these yet. Shipping for these, since they're with no tires, they're gonna come in 2 boxes, and shipping is looking at $215 and $290 for the other box. Don't ask me how the shipping fluctuates like that when it's the same item. Don't know, it's their things. But they do give you usually 2 to 3 different shipping options. I usually always pick the fastest shipping option because why are we waiting longer? Let's search up some stuff so I can show you guys. And another thing I wanted to let you know about Buyee. Now, mostly everything is in Japanese, so you can't just go on there typing in things that you expect the US would word it as. In meaning like, you're looking for 50114 work VSKFs 18 by 10s specifically. No, you can't type it in like that. You're just gonna have to type it in like this, VS, KF, and there's different like keywords, options you can actually type it in as. Well, we just did VS-KF, and we have a couple options. Look, we have some 18 by 10s right here, a pair, chrome with tires, $13.98, or the buyout is $2,000. I would take my shots on doing the auction. You could save a lot of money. So you're looking at a little bit over 200 shipping, probably a little bit under 300 shipping, but I think it's well worth it. You gotta understand, when you guys are looking for wheels and you don't buy wheels from a website, you're literally just getting people's secondhand stuff off a marketplace or OfferUp or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Look, we got a set of 18 by 8s. Nobody wants 8s, but $2,700. KFs, no, these are actually, yeah, KFs. KFs are taxed, you guys, taxed. Let me show you guys SSR wheels. I don't know how you guys feel about SSR wheels, but the actual name for SSR is Speedstar, and that's how they type it in on Buyee. See, then you guys see a lot of different like Speedstar wheels. The thing I don't like about Buyee, you would have to search through pages and pages to find what you're looking for, which kind of sucks, but it is how it is. If you have free time, I like to look at Buyee like in the morning, like taking a pooper, just on there searching. Let's see what else we got for you guys. You guys, I do have the Laurel, the right-hand drive, so I do like to look at parts like that. Like currently I'm looking for a center console manual, and we're gonna type in C33 Laurel. The Laurel key, which is awesome with the L in it. Let's see, tail lights, $300. These are pricey, but $300 is a good price. Wiper stock, control arms, a dash, a model car. Come on, you guys. You guys got to tap in to buy these things online. This is wicked. This is same color as my car too. Wow, the model car looks better. So yeah, that's cool. Center console coils. And now you guys will not be able to actually ship everything to the States. They put a restriction on certain things. So you gotta really stick it to like wheels, small suspension parts, coilovers, wings. They might even ship you a couple bumpers and stuff, but shipping will be very expensive. But if you guys do have a right-hand drive and you're living in the States and you don't have a parts guy and you need to source some of these things, you're gonna have to pay the price. But it's really worth it, I promise you. Let's see, let's go back to wheels because that's what this video is about. Cranes, a lot of people have been liking all the Weds cranes wheels like Rat Zingers and so on. So let's search up cranes, Kranze. Let's do cranes 18 because all we rock with is 18s out here. Ooh, Weds Erms, $838, 18 by 10.5, 18 by 12. God, you guys. Bazarias, 2 of them, $349. They're weak, but you can easily rebuild. Oh my God. Every time I get on Buyee, you guys, if you guys, oh my God, if I had the money, my whole garage would just be filled with wheels, you guys. What are these? Serb 2s, 18 by 9.5, 18 by 10.5, $1,200. These don't have any tires. This is an actual potential great deal for one of you guys. Because at the fact that it's $1,258 right now, shipping, they're gonna both be in 2 boxes. Shipping is not gonna be any more than $500. You're in this set to your house, delivered to your house in 3 to 4 days. $1,800, $1,758 exactly. Minus, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, Buyee does, so Buyee's weird. Buyee's literally just filled with a whole bunch of sellers and personal people selling their items. So they actually ship it to a warehouse in Buyee first. A warehouse in Japan first to verify the conditions and everything that these sellers actually put their item in, which is very cool. So that's usually like a 4,000 yen charge, or like 2,500 yen charge, which is like $8, $7. Don't cry about the chump change, you guys. Look, you guys, we have cranes right here. LXZs, 18 by 8 plus 19. I would get this and relip this. Full set, $1,000, or buy now. Literally buy now. I told you guys that. If you hop on right now and you got the money, you don't want to wait, or you don't want to miss it, or it could definitely go higher than the buy now price, so you guys got to watch out for that. If you think you're going to wait it out, then there's a bidding war. The last day, the last hour, sucks to suck. But $1,100 right now on the current auction, $1,398 to do the buy now. That's pretty wicked. Pretty wicked. This was really just supposed to be a short video. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things, because I get so many people that really like ask me like how to do this, or bro, let me just send you the money out of this, out of that, and here we are. This was a situation for this right here on these wheels. Make sure you create your account, you enter your favorite credit card or debit card. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'll tell you how I do it. I use my Cash App card, because as soon as you win the auction, they literally pull the money from your account. So I like to get around that. So I would bid with my Cash App card, then add the money in my Cash App when I'm ready to pay for the wheel. Another great thing Buyee does for you guys, you could win the auction today. Listen, you win the auction today, you still have to wait about 2 to 4 days for it to be shipped to the warehouse so they can process it, and that's when you actually get the shipping quote. Don't think you bid today, you win today, and you're gonna get the shipping quote right then and there. No, just give it 2 days or 3 days. It's gonna say processing. It's gonna say waiting to arrive at the warehouse. Then you'll get a notification saying that it arrived at the warehouse, and that's when you get your shipping options. But what I do also is they give you about 30 free days, you guys. So let's say you bought some wheels this paycheck. Next paycheck, or even the paycheck after that, you have time to still pay for the shipping. So don't think all of this is coming out your pocket that day. But other than that, I love Buyee, you guys. My last 6 set of wheels, I bought from Buyee. And you know what? I turned each wheel a profit, you guys. Sold it when I was done, right back on Marketplace. Don't miss out. Don't be that guy. J-Boy's just trying to share some new stuff with you guys. Thank you for coming to J-Boy's Sit Down. I kind of stood up a little, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that. I've been thinking about this for a while. Other than that, you guys, we have a lot coming to the channel. So excited to show you guys what's coming. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. I won't stop. I'm built to make this. I hope you guys stick around. I love you guys. Have a great night.